Good evening, everybody. We are here this evening in the Honda Buggy. It's a Pioneer 4-seater, and we are on the rugged trails here in a small community right outside of Huntsville, Texas. And it's rained pretty bad, so it's really muddy. And we are going to have a little bit of a fun and exciting trip this evening, coming out here and exploring a little bit of the rough terrain that resulted from the bad weather we've had the past couple of days. So we are ready. Normally ordinary cars and vehicles have to travel on these rough roads, but we have the advantage tonight being on the buggy. So for us, it's going to be a lot more smoother and exciting ride, knowing that this terrain vehicle can handle all of this rough landscape. Speed a little bit from about 11 miles to 15 miles. Okay, everyone, now we're getting closer to the lake, so we're going to get right up next to the bank here, and you can see the body of water here, which is the Trinity River. The trail is extremely muddy right now because it rained earlier today and all day yesterday. So I'm not even going to risk driving through that portion there. That's mostly submerged in mud. So we're going to be really careful. That big puddle of water. Vehicle can actually handle going through pretty large puddles, thick layers of mud, but I really don't want to get wet and dirty right now. So we're going to go through it very, very carefully. And there's a fishing pier ahead. Okay, everyone, now we're getting deeper into the trails, further away from the river, a little more deeper into the outer edges of the neighborhood. Okay, so we're now fixing to come up on a really old wooden bridge. Is always fascinating to pass through because it's so delicate. There's even a weight limit sign over the bridge. So we're going to jump the speed a little bit here in this Honda Buggy. We're going to get it back up to 15 miles an hour, because the neighborhood speed limit is 20 miles an hour after all. So we have to abide by the rules. So as you can see, the roads here are very, very rough. It's very uneven. Excellent landscape with a lot of forestry here. So we're going to go all the way to the end of the trail. Keep our speed at 15 miles an hour. Several big puddles up ahead. Oh, there's even a hole. Keeping the road there. Okay, now we've turned around and we're making a reverse trip back. So yeah, this Honda Buggy has a really durable steel bumper on the front. It is a four-wheel drive after all, so it gives you the option for two-wheel and four-wheel. And it is a 2018 year model. It is a Pioneer. So I just hope all of you are enjoying the awesome features of this trail as we pass through it. I mean, these are just roads that you don't see in ordinary neighborhoods that require a buggy like this. We're doing just ordinary traveling around the community here. I don't even think a regular golf cart would be suitable for this type of rugged, uneven way that the roads are arranged here. Okay, so we passed the wooden bridge and we're on our way back. Okay, we're coming up on another creek here. And I'm going to go ahead and turn the headlights on just to be safe. See how they turn on and off. So I hope all of you really enjoyed the video. It's kind of chilly out tonight. Low temperature will be in the 40s, and this is early April. Okay, it's getting dark out and we have the lights turned on now, our headlights, on this Honda 4-seater Pioneer Buggy, 2018 year model. Will be about the end of our trip, so I really hope you enjoyed it. I'll have many more great videos like this in the future. Have a good evening, take care, God bless, and please subscribe.